Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. In this video, I just want to share with you the intraday movements because we covered the bigger picture extensively, and also in the last video, nothing has changed from the last video when we look at the Bitcoin structure. So it makes sense to just look at this microstructure, nanostructure, the movement from the 1st of May low. I think everybody's interested in that at the moment. The idea is that we can already count 5 waves to the upside. We talked about that in the last video. I think we talked about that the top could be in now because we can identify a 5-wave move up as per the yellow scenario, okay? Just the microstructure. What we don't know at this stage is this wave 1 or is it just a C wave in a larger B wave? That is at the moment unknown. By the way, I'd like to actually change the wave degree here, not to that. Just want to share that or indicate that the wave 1 and the C wave are basically the same wave degree. So both share the same micro count. It's a possible 5-wave move up, and the top could have formed in wave 1 in yellow, or alternatively, well, not alternatively, they are both likely options, right? Or the C wave in white. It will not be possible to confirm that we have completed a larger degree 4th wave correction, which started in March, here on the 1st of May, until we see the price move into the support region in 3 waves, see the price stabilize here, and then start a move up from here and then break above the previous high. That's what we need to see. We need to see the price hold a higher low and then start to rally. And that means that we are, that the price basically gives us evidence that a 1-2 setup has formed. At the moment, this is a potential. I can see a 5-wave move up, but it could just be this white C wave, which is part of that bearish count that we discussed in a previous video, which could lead to a breakdown. But it really depends on one key level. So yes, we have a bullish count. Yes, we have a bearish count, of course, but there is a level that distinguishes between the two. And it is the 58,360 level that needs to hold. It's a 78.6 retracement. That is not an invalidation point. So the wave 2, if we come down now, from a bullish point of view, and we assume, okay, the move up was a 5-wave move, wave 1, this is a wave 2 pullback. This wave 2 is technically valid until we break below the Wednesday low. But that's only technical valid. It will become far less likely with a break below that 58,360 level. So normally below that level, if it's a sustained break below, we can't really trust that scenario. We can't even trust it now. I mean, it's only the first 5-wave move up. We just need to wait and see if the price reacts to support. The support area is clear. Okay, it's very well defined. And now I'm watching if we are actually in the wave 2 pullback. It's possible, but in the previous video I shared with you that I need to see a break below that convincing break here below 62,940 as indication that this wave 2 has started. At the moment I don't have that indication. We haven't broken below it. Okay, so the A wave ideally would go a little bit lower. I currently assume the wave 2 has started, but again, also here the market keeps the door open for one more extension higher, because it could be that this 4th wave, which presumably bottomed around the 5th of May, that this 4th wave only finished here today or is currently in the process of finishing as a so-called flat correction. Why? Because the 5th wave, even though it reached the 65,600 level, which was within that range that I mentioned to you, it still is a bit short. Okay, it still is a bit short, that 5th wave, but yeah, still though, I consider the wave 1 complete, or let's say the 5 waves up complete. All I'm saying is if we now form one more high, we might get to 66,737 in one more high, and then we start the pullback. Okay, so that would only be an alternative. At the moment, assumption is a pullback has started and we can watch the support area, and the 78.6 retracement is the line in the sand distinguishing between bullish and bearish scenarios. As long as we're above support, the yellow count has a chance. Okay, you could say within the yellow count, maybe we get one more extension higher. That would be the blue microstructure. But overall, what really matters is now to keep a bullish scenario alive, and to keep the possibility for rising prices alive and the potential that actually we've bottomed in a larger degree fourth wave. To keep all of that alive, we need to see the price in any pullback now hold above 58,360. So, and even if we are moving in an ABC structure now, as per the yellow scenario, the next rally should be corrective. There would be a B wave, might have started. Okay, there's a small, tiny reversal candle. If we go to the 30-minute chart, you can see that it's just tiny, so it's not really sufficient. But it could be that the B wave starts somewhere from here, and then a C wave down should send us into the orange support zone. So overall, not much happened, but I just wanted to share with you, again, the key levels, but also share with you, it's possible that we get one more extension, but that's only the alternative. There has to be an alternative if we break to the upside from here. I would see that as just one more extension of this 5-wave move. And it just means that this fourth wave never finished. This smaller fourth wave didn't finish actually on Sunday. No, it's still unfolding. That's my update about Bitcoin. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.